Making 10. Today we are going to learn how to make 10. Ten is a very important number in maths. If two numbers make 10, we call them number friends. Let's see an example. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 balls. And another 5 more balls makes 10. We have 4 balls. And another 6 more balls makes 10. Let's practice. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Good job. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.